step right up. Have I got the deal for you? That's right, it's this impeccably broken dishwasher. Why, this astounding hunk of junk is capable of anything. It's a card table. It's a coaster. It even holds all your leaves. Well, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, of course I believe all your outlandish claims, unnamed salesman character, but I already have a card table that triples as a coaster, which holds my many leaves. Does it do anything else? Of course it does more. It's a cabinet of curiosities. It's a bagpipes. It's a fine friend and a great listener. I just feel like she doesn't even talk to me anymore, you know? She spends all that time washing the dishes. I don't know. There are some who say that deep within the heart of the machine lies an ancient and powerful secret. The prophecy they claim tells of a chosen one who will wash away the grime of deceit that veils the eyes of the unseeing masses. And you, friendo, could be that chosen one if you choose to take home this broken dishwasher for the low, low price of $12,000. Or best offer. But not a penny more! Go to trackthetrickster.com for a completely unrelated thing.